Hi guys, it's Heather Ali from Logic Bulb, and in this video I am gonna show you how to get the old Snapchat back on Android and get rid of the new version of it. It's a bit difficult on iOS side, but don't worry, I'll upload a video for the iOS users too in a day or two. So without any further ado, let's get started. So Snapchat rolled out its new update and it's basically crap. If you don't know about it, you can just watch my video explaining everything about it. I've given a link to it in the description below, or you can click on the top right corner of the screen. Let's get back to this video. So people aren't really liking the new update and they're getting really mad at it. So in this video, I will show you how to get the older version back so you wouldn't have to bear the new crappy Snapchat. So what you need to do is, first of all, just delete your previous Snapchat app that you have already installed and open any browser and go to the link that I have pasted in the description below. Go to this website and download this older version of the Snapchat from here. After it has downloaded it, open the APK and it will ask you to give permission to install apps from unknown sources. So click this button which will take you to the settings and click this unknown sources checkmark. After that, again go to that APK and then install it. After you have installed it, what you need to do now is go to the Play Store and go to the settings and set these auto updates to don't auto updates app. So Snapchat won't just auto update without asking you, and you could enjoy the older version as long as you want. So now just open the installed Snapchat, log into it, and tada, you have the old Snapchat back. Now there's a little catch to this. You can call it a drawback of the old version. So Snapchat now won't allow you to call unless you update the app. But wait, who seriously uses the calling feature on Snapchat? At least I don't, and probably you don't too. So if that's okay for you, then you can enjoy the old Snapchat that you once loved. So guys, that's it for this one. Comment down what is the worst thing that you hate about the new Snapchat. And if this video was helpful in any way, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends who also are hating this new update. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching and goodbye.